Have you ever tried to look up good beginner's trails for your first day at Vail Mountain in Colorado and don't want to go up too high on the mountain because of the altitude, but couldn't find any results? Well, you've come to the right place. Welcome back to Ski Mountain Reviews, and today we're going to be looking at what I'll call a beginner's guide to Vail. This is going to be a mix of green and blue trails that I put together to make the perfect day at Vail for beginners. You'll avoid altitude sickness by not going up too high on the mountain, while also exploring the entirety of the front side at Vail. Let's jump right into the ski map. So this is the Vail map. You'll notice that I'm on my computer this time because Vail is such a big mountain. I didn't want to, my phone is such a little screen. It's going to be so hard dragging the map to fit this entire map. So I just figured that it's easier on my computer. But while staying at Vail, I'm going to be staying in the Lion's Head Vail Square. So that's where I'm going to be starting and ending this guide. So to start the day off, I'm going to go up the Eagle Bond Gondola up to Eagle's Nest, down Coyote Crossing, and then cut through here to Ledges, and then down Cubs Way to get on the Avanti Express lift. Whoopsies, my drawing is bad. But then go down the Meadows to get to this area. I suggest if you're going to Vail to come to this area for lunch. I'd wanted to come because most of the days I'd be having lunch here at the 10th and Mid-Vail. So I just wanted to see where this was, just to see it in my eyes. But after that, we can go down this green right here. That is a French name, which I'm not going to pronounce. But once we get to the end of this beautiful green trail, I guess, or I'm guessing, we make kind of a U-turn onto North Face Catwalk. Just prepare yourselves. It's literally like the name suggests. It's a catwalk. You're going to be walking on some parts of it. And then this now turns into a blue. And then it spits you out right onto Riva Ridge. So at this area, you can either go down Riva Catwalk or Mill Creek Road, whichever you want to do to get back to Gondola 1. Prepare yourselves that Gondola 1 is a very busy lift, so allow the time. But once you go up Gondola 1, you can get back here for lunch. Once lunch is finished, you can go back onto this beautiful French trail. And then somehow at the end of this French trail, you're not going to be making that U-turn onto North Face Catwalk. You're gonna you want to get down to Highline Express Lift. To get up here, you're not going to be doing any blacks. You're going to be taking this green called Flatjack. And then maybe stay in the Sourdough area for some time. Do these greens, take the Sourdough Express Lift. It's a nice area for greens and stuff. But once you're done in that Sourdough area, we can start heading back to Lion's Head Vail Square. You can either take Flapjack, or you're going to have to take Flapjack. You can either go up the Northwoods Express Lift. The only reason why I don't like this idea is because of the elevation, but at this point in the day, you'd probably be used to it, 11,250 feet. But I'd probably take this route because you don't want to get stuck in that Gondola 1 traffic again. So if we went up Northwoods Express Lift, maybe we can go down here to, I think that's Swingsville, some greens or some blues. Just the main goal, if you did want to go Gondola 1, the main goal is to get back to the 10th and Mid-Vail area. Then you're going to go down to Upper Lines Way, get back on Cubs Way for a quick second to get back on Lower Lines Way, and then use this little cutoff to get on Born Free. Born Free will take you right down to the Lion's Head Vail Square. And that's day 1 at Vail. You can see through these black markups I made that you're really going through this entire mountain. You're seeing the entirety of Vail, seeing what Vail has to offer. I hope this guide was good for you and you like it and you are able to try it out.